Hey y'all, it's your girl EJ, the Travel Diva, day 3 of Vlogmas for me, and I'm back again with one of my favorite travel products for 2020. Now, for 2020 is a metal straw kitten. I know it has my name on it and it is my metal straw kitten, but it still is my favorite product for 2020. Now, back in 2019, I had visited 2 resorts while I was on vacation. Now, I don't know why I didn't learn my lesson the first time, but the first resort didn't have any straws on the property whatsoever. It was a inconvenience for me because I love to drink out of straws. I do. I love straws, period. So you would have thought I learned my lesson on that trip. Then I turned around and went on another vacation a couple of months ago. It completely slipped my mind that resorts and hotels that are located along the beach and destinations that are beach destinations are doing away with single plastic use. Completely slipped my mind. Went on vacation for a second time in the same year and was at a resort that only had paper straws. I was like, oh my God, I cannot believe I made the same mistake twice. That's normally not like me. Once I learned from one lesson, I usually try not to repeat it. So it happened to me twice in 2019. So when I came back, I was like, you know what? I'm never going to be caught like that again when I'm going on vacation. I love a straw. But at the same time, I still want to do my part for the environment. You know, I don't want to be irresponsible when I travel, not on purpose. So when I came back, I created Erica James Travel Straw Kit for anybody that wants one, especially my travel clients when I'm planning a vacation for them. I tell them, take your straw kit. You don't want to be caught without it. And so it comes with a bent straw, a straight straw, and a pipe cleaner to clean your straws while you're out on vacation. And it also comes in this cute little pouch. It's really great. You are still being able to enjoy your frozen beverages and your drinks while you're on vacation, and you're still being good to the environment all at the same time. So it is one of my favorite kits, and it's something that you don't think about when you travel. But recently in 2020, in October 2020, I was in Jamaica. I had my metal straw kit. I was enjoying my drinks on the beach. So many people were like, oh my God, did you bring more? Do you have any for me to buy? I didn't think to carry them with me, but I should have, because it's something that you don't think about. And when you get to a destination, realize there's no straws or there's paper straws, and those paper straws get so soggy when you're drinking after a few minutes. So you don't want to have that hassle. So what you need to do is always travel with your metal straw kits. I would drop a link to my metal straw kits in the comments below so that you can enjoy your cold beverages when you're on vacation and still be good to the environment. All right, that's day 3 for me on Vlogmas. Y'all have a good rest of the day, and I'll check you out on video number 4 for day 4.